So in this video, we're going to talk about the comparison of the IQOO 13 versus the iPhone 16. So let's start with the display comparison. The iPhone 16 mobile is the starting version of the iPhone 16 series. That is, this mobile comes with a 6.1 inches of a cute Super Retina XDR 60 Hz refresh rate display, and it is a Full HD plus resolution display. Where the IQOO 13 mobile comes with a 6.82 inches of huge bigger display, and it is a 144 Hz refresh rate supported 2K resolution display, and it is a Quad HD plus resolution display, not the 2K. And these two mobiles come with their own production. And when we talk about the processor, this is the biggest thing in these two mobiles. The iPhone 16 mobile comes with A18 Bionic chip, and it is a hexa-core, that means 6-core chip. Where the IQOO 13 comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is the flagship processor from the Android set. That is, this one comes with this is a octa-core processor. All of those are performance cores. And when we talk about the memory variants, these tools are available in different variants. The iPhone 16 is available with 256GB internal storage and 512GB internal storage variants with no external memory, as we all know that. Where the IQOO 13 mobile comes with a 12GB RAM, 512GB, 12GB RAM, 256, and 16GB RAM, 512GB internal storage variants. There is no 8GB variant available in this mobile. So the iPhone 16 comes with LPDDR5 RAM types and NVMe storage capacity. Where the IQOO 13 comes with the LPDDR5X RAM type and UFS 4.1 storage capacity. And when we talk about the camera, this is the section where we can see a huge difference. The iPhone 16 mobile comes with a dual cameras at the back side, 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the IQOO 13 mobile comes with the triple cameras. Those triple cameras are 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and also a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera. We can shoot up to 4K 60 fps with these two mobiles, and the IQOO 13 we can shoot up to 8K 30 fps, also 4K 60. For the front, iPhone 16 mobile comes with the 12 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. The IQOO 13 comes with the 32 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera. When we talk about the batteries, to be precise, the iPhone 16 comes with almost 3500 some change mAh of battery, and it supports 20 watts of normal wired charge. And when we talk about the IQOO 13, this mobile comes with a huge 6000 milliamps of battery and it supports 120 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately,